Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Typescript. So today we are going to discuss about the built-in generic extract utility type. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. The extract utility type in TypeScript is used to create a new type by extracting from a given unit type. So here what we are doing, we are going to create a new type by extracting from the given union type. So here you can see that we have a given union type, and now we are going to extract. Okay, so here we extract from the given union type T, those types are assignable to the another type. So we are extracting those types which are assignable to the another type U. Okay, so this is, you can say, about the type T, and this is type U. I will explain later on. In other words, it filter out the types from the T that are not compatible with U. So we are here, yes, we are filtering out from T that are not compatible with U. So let's take an example. The extract type lets you define a new list and returns a new type if any items in that list exist in the original type. So basically we are, you can say that about the intersection type. Okay, so basically we are here, let's take an example. So what is T and U? So T is basically the union type from which you want to extract types. Okay, so T is basically this T and U. This is a syntax, right? T and the U. So T, what the T stands for, the union type from which you want to extract. Okay, so this is the union that you want to extract, and U, the type of to which you want to filter out. Okay, so U is basically the thing, the type to which you want to filter and extract the compatible types. Okay, so let's take an example. We have a two union types, that is color and the primary. So color is basically, this is T. Okay, the union type from which you want to extract types, from which you want to extract the type, and this is the primary color, the type to which you want to filter out and extract the compatible types. So you can see that here we have a red, green and the blue, and the primary color we have a red and the blue. Okay, so red and the blue both lies. Okay, so the type to which you want to filter out, so this is the type that you want to filter out from the color. Okay, so here we are defining, here we are just adding the primary colors. So you can see that if I want to assign it to the type red, or if I do the green, so green will throw the error like green is not assignable to the red or the blue. And the primary colors red, you can see that it will give you, you can assign the value red or the blue accordingly. Let's deep into the more discussion on that. We have a two types, color and the primary color. Color and the primary color. Color is a union type. Okay, so color is union type representing the various colors, and the primary color represents the primary colors which are the subset of color. Primary color is basically the subset of the color. We use extract. So here we are using extract, color, primary, utility type to create a new type, primary colors by extracting the type from color. So we are extracting the type from the color that are assignable to the primary color. Okay, so here we are extracting it from, and extracting the types from color that are assignable to the primary color. As a result, the primary colors type only contains red and the blue. So here we are extracted already. Okay, so what the result is, so both the red and the blue resides in the color type. Okay, and then we can assign it. So as a result, the primary colors type only contains which types, red and the blue, which are primary colors. So basically you can say about the these values exist here. We have one more definition which I had told you. The extract type lets you define a new list, okay, and returns a new type if any items in that list exist in the original type. So we are just checking that this exists in the original type or not. On the behalf of it, we are just returning a new list of the items and the new type. Okay, But we declare variables of the type primary colors here, and we can only assign the values that are red or the blue. Attempting to assign the green leads to the error. Okay, let's take an example at the same. Okay, so here we can get multiple members from the union by extracting like this. So you can add multiple things also like this. Okay, then you can assign it. So there is a example over here. Okay, so we have a type animal, we have a type mammal. So we have an animal and we are extracting mammal. So dog and the cat both residing over the animal. Okay, so mammal animals, here we can see that mammal animal is a type. So basically this is the type. Okay, so which type you want to assign it, so here we have to add it over here. And the mammal animals, here you can see, is a variable with the specified type annotation. You can assign values of type dog or cat to the mammal animals variable, but you are not assigning the values to the mammal animals. So here you are not assigning. Why? Because it is a type itself. So it's accepting the type. Which type? String, number, or what? Instead, you are using the mammal animals type as a type annotation for the variable to specify what type of the values it can hold. So basically it will tell you like which types of the value it will hold, and the mammals will assign the variable to that one. Okay, so this is basically, you can see about the extract utility type. Okay, so main thing of the extract utility type is that extract type lets to define a new list and returns a new type if any items in that list exist in your original type. Main thing, that if it is exist, then it will come up, else it will throw the error like this is not assignable to that type. Okay, so you can also see that we have a demo. I have, you can see that we have an animal, cat and the dog. So this is, you can see the cat and the dog. Okay, it resides. So it basically the extra, but here I am assigning it to the tiger of the type, so which is not available. So it will throw the error that tiger type tiger is not assignable to the extract type, to the type. Okay, so here you need to, whether you can add the cat, okay, error gone, or whether you can assign the dog. Okay, so this is how it will work. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.